Hey, hello guys. Today we're going to be solving this problem to sum from LeetCode. It's a easy difficulty problem. So in this problem, we are given an array of integers, and we need to return indices of two numbers in the array such that the numbers present at those indices, when summed up, will give us a specific target, and they've asked us to assume that there's exactly one solution to the given array. So we need to find a unique pair, and we can solve this problem in O of n time using hash map. So the approach we'll be using is we can first create a hash map in which we can map the respective numbers. We can start like iterating through the array, and during each iteration we can map the respective number to its index, and during the same iteration we can check if the complement number for the given number exists in the hash map. For example, let's go with the example 1. So in this case we'll start with 2 and map it to the index 0 in the hash map, and then we move on to the second element or the element which is at the index number 1, and we can see that it's 7, and we check for the complement of 7 if it exists in the hash map. So the complement of 7 will be the target negative the given number or the respective number. So in that case it will be 2, and since we know that 2 exists in the hash map, and 2 is mapped to its respective index, so we can just simply return the index of the complement number as well as the current index at which we are in. So let's start with the code. First we'll create the hash map, then we can start iterating through the array. We'll iterate using the indices of the given array, and first we'll check if the complement number exists in the hash map. And in this case we can simply return the current index, which is I, and the index mapped to the complement number present in the hash map. If not, we'll add this current number to the hash map. And we'll map it to the current index, which will be the iterator variable I. So this should be it. Like this should work fine. Okay, good. Let's submit the code. Okay, nice. It worked. So what we have done is created a hash map, and we'll start iterating through the given array, and during each iteration we'll map the current number to its respective index, and also we can check if the complement number of the current number exists in the hash map. In that case we simply return the current index and the index to which the complement number is mapped. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.